Hi, welcome back to my workshop, and let's today make a universal gift for any occasion: birthdays, weddings, anniversary, or other special day. And this is money card. So we will use laser cutter and 3 mm birch plywood I will use. So today let's make this daisy money holder. Let's start. First I open the file in LightBurn. For engraving the outline details I use line mode, speed 1000, power 60 and 2 passes. For engraving the names and the date, I use fill mode, speed 1500 and power 45. And for cutting, speed 200, power 92.5% and 3 passes. I'm using my Sculpfun S9 laser and 3 mm birch plywood. The engraving and cutting is finished and everything looks clean. Now I want to give the wood a warm tone. I am using a wood oil stain in the color Oregon Pine. I apply it to the back panel and to the front piece with the engraved names and date. I use a soft cloth to spread the oil evenly and remove the excess. All details have a rich natural wood look. For the daisy layer, I use white sprayed paint. I paint the cut out flower piece and let it dry. Now all parts are dry, so we can start assembling. I apply glue and attach the inner panel first. I let it dry. And now I glue the daisy layer and finally the engraved nameplate on top. Now we give everything time to bond properly. And when the glue is dry, I remove any glue residue using a small knife. You can also paint the edges to make the card look more finished and clean. I'm using brown acrylic paint. And this is the final result, a simple, elegant and universal money card made with a laser machine. Thanks for watching. This file is available in my Etsy shop, so see you in the next video.